Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Bitget. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet, and over here, you just have to buy some of the Toncoins in your Tonkeeper wallet app. For that, you need to just scroll down and then select Toncoin. Over here you can either tap on the buy option and then you can purchase a Toncoin, or what you can do is you can simply deposit some of the Tons into your Tonkeeper wallet. Now once you have it, you need to tap on Toncoin and here you need to tap on send. After that, it will ask you to provide the address of Toncoin. So in order to get the address, we need to launch our Bitget application, and in the Bitget app you just have to simply log in into your account. After that, you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to select the deposit option. Over here you need to tap on the add funds, and here you need to select the deposit crypto option in the top. Over here, use the search bar in this top and search for Ton. Then it will ask you to choose the network. So here you need to choose Ton as the network, and then you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address and a memo. So you just have to first copy the address from here, then paste that in the section, then copy the memo from Bitget and paste in the comment section. After that, you need to press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you need to enter the amount of Toncoin that you want to transfer from your Tonkeeper wallet to Bitget. Then you need to just initiate your transaction, and once the transaction is completed, you will get your Toncoin or into your Bitget account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.